survived the 95-degree heat and the wild ferry ride from Naples, and we have finally made it to Sorrento, to part 2 of our Italian adventure, where we are tasting farm-fresh limoncello, cruising out to Capri, and trying our absolute best not to burn down a local pizza school.
We finally made it! Look how beautiful Sorrento is!
I have to get a picture of this view.
Because Marina Grande is our fish village.
Oh.
Yes, actually it's near the beach.
Oh, nice. All right, we've arrived in Sorrento. They were holding our luggage at the hotel when we were walking to the beach. So we'll figure this out in a minute. It's just as crazy. The streets have windy roads. Go up, down, around in circles to get to wherever you're going. The taxi driver. But we will see. She said this is a fishing village. Here comes something. A taxi. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, it's right here. Paddleboarding people, everything. It's just perfect place. I didn't know it was on the beach. Did you? When you
I
booked
did
it?
when I looked. They said like walking, and it was like super short walking to the beach.
Nice. There's a pier over there. Tavernas are here, yeah. This is exactly perfect. If you want to experience the authentic old world charm of Sorrento, you have to spend some time down here at Marina Grande. Despite the name, it's actually a small, historic fishing village tucked away at the bottom of the cliffs. It's totally separate from the busy main town above, and it's the perfect spot to grab fresh seafood, watch the colorful boats, and just soak in the Mediterranean vibe before tackling the stairs. Leaving the harbor behind, Joan and I started the steep walk back to the main town. You walk right through the ancient stone defensive walls, and the path gets incredibly narrow. It completely feels like you're wandering through a medieval stone labyrinth. And tucked right inside this hidden walkway, we stumbled across the most gorgeous, unexpected oasis. Oh, it's a secret spot.
See, it's
Oh,
a hidden gem.
Hidden gem, yes.
See, and the menu you won't find it online.
Oh, really? That's
Every fish is enriched by edible flowers, very rare aromatic herbs and plants.
oh, wow.
Everything is grown in our garden.
Is it really?
Everything.
Oh, we'll have to eat here.
Oh, here you can have fish, meat, pasta, vegetarian options. We can accommodate any kind of allergies.
Oh, good.
See,
What time do you open?
the restaurant officially is open at 7.
Okay.
But if you wish to come a little early, our botanical bar is open from 6.
Oh, fun. Okay.
It's really far from other touristic spots.
It's very, like, calm. Like the feel, right? Very.
Oh, now you can't see much of that. But this is where the restaurant is set. We put candles on.
It's
like a
beautiful, though. Peaceful.
Peaceful
With-
atmosphere.
Yes.
You can really enjoy
Gorgeous.
the garden. It's an experience into the garden.
Right.
You are in the garden, you eat the garden.
So green.
Wow. Yeah. Our chef is a magician.
After that incredible experience at Hortus Sorrento, Joan and I spent the rest of the afternoon just getting lost in the upper town. We wandered through the stunning churches, peeked into the local shops, and soaked in the absolute magic of Sorrento before finally tackling those steep stairs back down to our home base in the marina. do we want to go down these stairs? Lift to the beach?
Through over that side.
That's a good question. We're on our way to the farm thing that Joan booked, and this John's sleeping, but this road all the way up, like you see that whatever Italian, the road is like on the edge, and I can't look, but there's a lot of, it's like the road to Hana, but there's buses and stuff on it. Joan's not driving this time, so she's okay. She did not enjoy being the driver from on the road to Hana, but that's Hawaii. This is Italy.
I did not have points today. Taking that long.
The driver like beep 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 as he keeps going, and then a big old bus comes by. It's always an adventure.
Yes.
With Joan. Adventures with Joan. Change my thing. Adventures with Joan.
It's beautiful here. So bee farmers in the area. If you are gardeners, or probably did you visit in the past have you ever been in any other farm in the
Chili peppers are?
chili peppers? Yes, yeah, for the malocchio, the neighbors.
Papaya? No,
Have you ever?
we should. It smells really good. What do you make with it?
Hi everybody. Chickies.
I found, yeah. After I show you. Busy ladies. I want to present also.
One or the other.
She's just fat. I know, she looks pregnant.
If you make a little space in the middle, she comes closer. Okay, Carolina, go.
Hi,
She
Carolina.
wanna be pet. It's very friendly.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
I know, I was talking about your big
Look
boy
at
there.
you.
Look at that.
Are you sure she's not pregnant? Looks very pregnant to me.
Okay, she's looking for the food. She will not pregnant again soon. Yeah, but we have the goats usually for weeding or also for another reason. Not popular here for this, but so some people are from US.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard the Tibetan goats in US?
The what? What kind
In
of?
US they are famous. This breed is famous
Oh.
for another reason.
What?
When you do this and they jump on your
Oh, the yoga.
the yoga, goat yoga. Yes.
Yoga goats, yep. So we're sitting here at this farm to table, no waste, like house. Fourth generation of family members that run this farm, and we got lemon and olive oil, and limoncello should be coming at some point. We're drinking their homemade wine, and the bacon hangs from the I've never seen bacon like that. I'm fascinated by the bacon. So anyway, very good. Let's get the action of serving up the pasta.
Perfect. That's time enough.
Repeat. Aiza, Aiza, Aiza. Acala, cala, cala. Acosta, costa, costa. A saluda nostra. And limoncello, never drinking a shot, but always sipping slowly.
Don't shoot it.
Left the city noise behind, the sun was warm upon the road. Four good friends with one desire to lighten up the heavy load. Down the coast to Sorrento, cliffs of gold and sea of blue. Found a little family farm there, just like old Nana told us to. Rows of lemons, bright and yellow, smell of sunshine in the air. Limoncello, cheers my friends, under the Sorrento sun. Pasta vino on until the day ends. Oh, this is living, this is fun. Mama showed us how to make it, pasta fresca rolled by hand. Told us stories about...
All right, today's a boat day that Joan arranged, so we'll see where we're going. We're going to go to Capri for a little bit too while we're on this, so that's kind of cool.
Limoncello, cheers my friends, under the Sorrento sun. Pasta vino on until the day ends. Oh, this is living, this is fun. This is fun. Sorrento sun. Salute.
A little greener, whereas in Capri, usually you see while swimming, it's a really deep blue color usually.
Alright.
Green grotto.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
Almost looks like there's lights under the water.
Doesn't it? Well, I think you have to take that bus to get to it. There we go. We're on Capri.
And clearly they drive the same as when you're anywhere in Italy.
Don't mind our hot mess look. We were swimming in the sea, and now we're...
So we got a few hours in Capri, so we'll get to experience Capri.
Yes.
And
I know there's a limoncello place here.
Oh,
I just
really?
don't know where. Yes. Maybe we'll find it. We'll see what happens. We only have 2 hours here.
let's go down and see. Woohoo!
You could also walk in the town.
Yeah?
Like these people. Can you imagine that at the sun?
No.
That could be the worst experience of your life.
Seriously.
What happened?
They're the worst. If you were these people want to walk down, it could be the worst experience of your life. I don't doubt that.
So the funicular, that's the trip.
We have been on a boat day all day, and we are in Capri. It's amazingly gorgeous. We just sat down to eat. Got a limoncello spritzer. Grazie. I don't remember how to say cheers.
Salute.
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 No, Joan says salute. Salute. So I have you and a limoncello spritz. All right, we're going on the funicular train. Let's go. And now we're on the funicular. It's just crazy. It's like a tram that goes down the hill. Train, tram, whatever. Joan's over there. It's hot, it's sweaty, but it's definitely an experience to be in Italy. Oh, there's your Nutella. Joan's got her Nutella behind her. I know. I'm just following you for a little quick. Do I need to pay you? For your donation of my video?
All the things are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Everybody looking at something. Some of them will use you.
Oh, that's hard. They're cliff jumping.
Hi guys, here we wanted to show you our.
I mean, that's their job. They're concierge.
I really don't know.
They're the concierge. That's their job. We booked our thing to go to Rome, but apparently you have to take a bus for 2 hours to get 30 miles and then a fast train for an hour to get 100 miles. I don't know. We're going to have to figure it out. Talk to the people here. Well, we're still in Sorrento and we just had some cocktails at our hotel. We're gonna go get some dinner and then we're probably gonna crash. We're thinking about doing a cooking class tomorrow if we can find one. We have some options and if they have availability, that would be really fun. So that's the plan for now. And then Tuesday we go to Rome. So you will see us there. Well, this is a huge restaurant. Must be popular, huh?
Last year we make it 400 yes.
Oh, it's my favorite. Can I just have a bite?
Parmigiano.
Can I just have a chunk of that?
Parmigiano. Parmesan is something else.
No, Parmigiano.
Parmigiano. Basilico.
Oh, basil leaves.
Basilico that we call here Basilico dialect. It's very different from Italian. Very different from Italian.
Yeah.
Now the last is
So we need some cheese. Mozzarella.
mozzarella. Hey!
Mozzarella.
Vai! Put the mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
Put
Mozzarella.
For you, Margherita.
Can I put as much as I want?
You can put as well in your pockets.
The whole bun.
Put in your pockets as well. You know, you
When I was little pizza, extra cheese, that's it. Like, give me pizza, extra cheese.
Some cheese. Oh, it's enough. It's okay. Shake it with the tongue.
This one has pesto, buffalo mozzarella, basil, tomato, margarita, zucchini, lemon zest, mozzarella. Time to try our pizza. Joan's got hers.
Yum.
I got mine. Pick it up.
And we're gonna share a piece. I'm gonna give Kathy one of mine. Literally. What? A hot mess. Hot mess for real. Literally. Hot mess on the metro for
45 minutes now. 45 minutes so far. Crazy. I think it's like 80%. It's really hot. I think my wrists are even sweating. I think my toes are sweating. Everything.
my ears are sweating.
Adventures in Italy. Adventures with Joan. From here we go to the other train that is actually not a subway train.
And it may, I can't remember how air conditioned it was on my way to Naples. Napoli from Rome. But I think it was technically.
There's no air conditioning in here. We're on the fast train and it is air conditioned. After the metro was, oh my god, I thought I was gonna die on metro. We need the Uber helicopter from now on. I'm thinking.
Kathy almost died like 5 times on this trip. She almost died.
I did. Seriously. But now look, we are going fast to Rome. Everything's better now because we had this. Just fun. We shared. No, but seriously, this whole thing is super confusing, and it's best to watch as many YouTube videos and TikToks about going to Rome that you can possibly do because it's really confusing. A lot of it. The train, we got on the wrong train. Or we got off at the wrong station. That's what it was. But the train wasn't going anywhere else, so we got on the wrong train.
And nobody can tell us where the station that we should be at was. When they're like, oh, this is not that. You're supposed to be at this station. I'm like, okay, well, how do I get there? Where is it? I don't know. Go talk to the.
Yeah.
Try to tell you.
Go somewhere else.
Talk to them, and they're like, oh, well, you can change your ticket, but nobody could tell me where the train stopped. At Ferragusto or something. It was. So I don't know.
No.
They say get your tickets in advance. I did it online. It was a clusterfuck because one was a bus to the train. So we ended up saying, no, we're not going to take the bus. It's 2 hours. We're going to get the train for an hour. We did that. Go to the main train station, which reminds me of the Port Authority in New York. And they're like, no, this isn't the train station you're supposed to be at to get your next train, your fast train. Anyway, we're here on it. We paid another $4 each. And
At least they were able to accommodate us. That's true.
But it's a clusterfuck.
Yeah. For real. But look at the pretty outside. And we are here. Let's get exit. We are in Rome. Yay! The last leg of the journey, other than more transfers. Planes, trains, transfers, whatever. But we're
Ay, ay, ay.
After being very confused on catching the train, we made it to Rome. Let's go find some wine.